Okay, students, hello. Today, learn English letter sounds, the letter P. This will be lesson number 2. Okay, let's start again. Read it, listen to it, and repeat it. Number 1, P, pop. P, pop. Repeat the letter, repeat the word. Okay, number 1, P, pop. Okay, number 2, repeat, P, park. P, park. Okay, number 2, P, park. Okay, 3, P, palm. P, palm. Number 3, P, palm. Okay, number 4, repeat, P, price. P, price. Okay, number 4, P, price. 5, P, press. P, press. Number 5, P, press. Okay, number 6, P, pause. P, pause. Okay, number 6, P, pause. Number 7, repeat it, P, play. P, play. Number 7, P, play. Okay. 8. Number 8, P, print. P, print. Number 8, P, print. 9, repeat it, P, pencil. P, pencil. Okay, number 9, P, pencil. 10, P, prize. Z. P, prize. Number 10, P, prize. 11, P, puppy. P, puppy. 2 syllables, 2 sounds, puppy. P, puppy. Okay, the last one is number 12. P, poker. P, poker. Number 12 is P, poker. Okay, let's go back to number 1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 1 to 12, repeat each one time. 1 repeat, okay? You ready? Okay, number 1, pop. Number 2, repeat, park. Number 3, palm. Number 4, price. Number 5, press. Number 6, pause. Number 7, play. Number 8, print. Number 9, pencil. Number 10, prize. Number 11, puppy. Number 12, poker. Let's go backwards. 12, repeat, poker. 11, repeat, puppy. 10, prize. 9, pencil. 8, print. 7, play. 6, pause. 5, press. 4, price. 3, palm. 2, park. And number 1, pop. Okay, good job. Well done. Okay, now I'm going to move the slide, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to pronounce, and I will listen to you, okay? Theoretically here, okay? All right, you ready? I give you a number, and I'm going to ask you to pronounce, okay? You ready? Okay, number 1. How do you pronounce number 1? Say number 1. Pop. Number 9. How do you say number 9? Pencil. Number 5. How do you say number 5? Press. Okay. Number 7. How do you say number 7? Play. Number 2. How do you say number 2? Park. Number 6. How do you say number 6? Pause. Number 12. How do you say number 12? Poker. Number 8. How do you say number 8? Print. Number 3. How do you say number 3? Palm. Number 11. How do you say number 11? Puppy. I think this is the last one. Number 2. How do you say number 2? Park. Okay, let me roll through here. Did we get them all? Did we do 5? I'll throw 5 in as a bonus because I can't recall if we did it or not. Okay, how do you pronounce number 5? How do you say it? How do you pronounce 5? Press. Okay, rolling through here. Oh, did we do 10? I don't think we did 10 either. Let's do 10. Okay, how do you say number 10? Prize. Okay, I think we got them all there, okay? All right, good job. Okay. Okay, students, thank you very much. Have a great day. Enjoy, and we will see you on the next lesson. Okay? All right, students.